Welcome to another Destination Origami video. And in this video we're going to take this $10 bill here and we're going to fold it into a cute little bookmark with a heart on the end of it. The only reason why I like this fold is because it builds off of the previous videos that we've made here on the channel. So if you haven't seen those, go ahead and check those out. And if you're into this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. And in the comment section, let me know which fold I should do next. So first off, we're just going to take this $10 bill and we're just going to fold it in half like so. Now remember, at any point, if you need to stop the video, feel free to stop it and just pause it so you can catch up along here. Now after you do this fold, just kind of do a quick check on the other side that it's evened out, so because lining up is important. And also a little reminder is that I've done this with this $10 bill several times, so the folds are going to come a little bit easier to me than, say, someone who hasn't done it before. So after we fold it in half, we're going to take the two ends and we're just going to fold it into the middle, like so. So you want to make sure that it matches up perfectly as you fold the other side down. Like so. Make sure that there's no overlapping. That's pretty important for future folds in this one. So after you do that, I'm just going to unfold it. Now next we're going to take the end here and we're just going to fold it up so that corner meets, that's not a word, meets the top there. So it looks like this. And we're going to do that with the same way. Very similar to how we did that tree. I'm going to just fold it. Feel free to use niches. I'm sure they're going to love and not understand what you're saying there. So once you do that, you're going to take these two ends and you're going to fold them down so it makes a triangle. And these top parts, you're going to just fold down. Now, it might take a little bit of time for you. Like I said, I've done this before with this, so it's kind of already used to the folds there. And after that, we're going to take the tip here and we're just going to fold it down to the bottom. Like so. So it looks like that. And fold the top. Okay. Now we're going to take this little flap, fold it in, and then we're going to take this part and we're going to fold that down into the middle. So that's like so. This is where it's important that when you do it to the other side, that they don't overlap and that they meet up perfectly in the middle, as you can see there. Okay. Now, this is probably going to be the trickiest part of the fold. Now, once you have it look like this, and if you're cool with the arrow, I mean, you can stop right here and you have a cool little arrow bookmark. I'm sure that that will work for those of you who don't prefer the heart, but for those who wants to see how to do the heart at the end, you keep going. So this is going to be the trickiest part here. We're going to take this and we're going to open the flap here. And what we want to do is we're going to kind of press in the sides and push them down. So you're going to take this side and fold it in. So it looks like that. Push it in. Try to have them come as close to the middle as you can as possible. Now we're going to flip it around and we're going to fold it down to that crease that we made before with the tip of the triangle, if you remember. And if you're not quite lined up in the middle, try to fix that as much as you can so you have a little bit of space there. Because once you do that and you have that space, you're just going to fold in the ends like that. And then you have a bookmark. So thanks for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up, a like, and again, let me know what kind of folds you'd like to see me do next.